Ambitious and motivated are words that describe you best. Then you're on the right place. This is Motivational Radio Friends from Paris with your host, Longi Agoha.
In one of my seminars, somebody asked me, why do we speak? Why do we need to speak? I told him that we need to speak, and we are the only species in the world that uses words to communicate. Animals, on their part, uses sound. They do not use words. So it is left for anybody to interpret those sounds maybe into words. But we use sounds and words, or the sounds we make. We try to combine these words, these sounds into words. So we need to communicate to make ourselves known and intentions, because your capacity to speak and communicate well will determine how far you go in life. Studies have proven that people who know how to mix words well tend to get ahead in life much better than those who do not. In this program, or in our subsequent programs, we will look at details on how and why we should communicate very well. Communication is really at the backbone of what we do. We spend our whole day talking to each other, talking to people, speaking to one another, speaking to strangers, asking questions. And so you should know how to do this thing called talk. You should know how to do it. It is as important as the air you breathe in. It is very, very important. Everything you do will depend on how well you speak. And not only how well you speak, but how well you connect with the person you're speaking to. Because it's one thing to speak, it's another thing to connect with the person you're speaking to. Did the person understand you? Did you make yourself known to the person listening to you? These are the things we need to look at in our subsequent programs. Speaking is really, really very important. And I implore you to master this trade, because it will help you, help people around you, and help everybody listening to you to understand exactly what you are talking about. This podcast was brought to you by the Motivational Radio France with their host, Longi Agoha in Paris.